I realize that pastors' wives are always not respected in churches. Not even just pastors' wives, but even church leaders, partners, they're always not respected in churches. I have 5 reasons why they're not respected in churches. And I did my research and I aligned it with the scripture. And I realized these 5 reasons. Number 1, when the leaders are not faithful to their wives. The scripture says in the book of 1 Timothy chapter 3 verse 2, a bishop must be blameless, the husband of one wife. Actually, it speaks of loyalty. If you read NIV, this is KJV, it speaks of faithfulness. So it means that if you are married, if you're a pastor, you're a bishop, you're an overseer, then you should be faithful to your wife if you want your wife to be respected in church. The moment there is no faithfulness to your wife, the moment you play around with women, you play around with girls in church, there is high possibility that your wife will be disrespected, because that is the second character. The first character is a bishop should be blameless. The second character, a husband of one wife. Third, vigilant and sober. There are characters, and among the characters is faithfulness to your wife. Second reason, when the leader fails his responsibility at home. The book of 1 Timothy chapter 3 verse 4 to 5, the scripture says, one that ruleth well in his house, having his children in subjection with all gravity. For if a man know not how to rule his own house, how shall he take care of the church? Your first ministry is not the church. It is your home. The moment a pastor switches or a leader switches his mind to the ministry and neglects his responsibility as a husband to his wife and children, immediately disrespect arises to the children and also the wife. That's why you find out that a lot of pastors' wives are not respected. Not because the wives are bad, but you'll find out that the reason is because the husband, who is the pastor, is not always responsible for his wife. You find out that he can come to church dressed well, but the wife is not dressed well. You can find out that the pastor has a very good look, has happiness, but you find out that the wife, there's a problem. 3, when the pastor's wife is not God-fearing and upright. The scripture says in the book of Job chapter 1 verse 3, and the Lord said unto Satan, hast thou considered my servant Job, that there is none like him in the earth, a perfect and an upright man, no one that feareth God and excelleth evil. God commended Job, but not the wife, and not his children also. Why? Because they did not share the fear of God together. Respect in church is not all about title as a wife of a pastor. This is out of godly character. As a woman of God, as a wife of pastor, you must be very God-fearing. If you want respect from people, if you want to command respect, then have a godly character. 4, the fourth reason, when the leader doesn't honor his own wife. 1 Peter 3:7, the scripture says, likewise, ye husband, dwell with them according to the knowledge, giving honor unto the wife as unto a weaker vessel. Giving honor unto the wife as a weaker vessel. The same respect you feel from your congregation as a leader, as a pastor, your wife must feel it from you first. If you dismiss her, speak down on her, and treat her beneath, then expect that from the congregation, because they will be following what you train them. Finally, The fifth, when the leader makes his wife valueless. Proverbs chapter 31, 28, 21, the scripture says, when children arises up and call her blessed, her husband also, and he praises her. Many daughters have done features, but thou excellent them all. Notice who leads the celebration in Proverbs chapter 31. You'll find out the husband is who leads the celebration. So as a leader, when a leader treats his wife invisible, valueless in the congregation, it mirrors exactly what they see, and people will also do same to your wife. If you value your wife in public, then people will also value your wife publicly. We find out that people hail to their wife. They shout to their wife. You find out a pastor commands the wife in public. This affects a lot of the congregation, and they don't see the value of your wife. You can control your wife. You can rectify her in public, or your partner is a leader in church. Avoid rectifying your wife publicly. So I've given out 5 reasons, and I'll repeat them again very shortly. 1, when the leader is not faithful to his wife. 2, when the leader fails his responsibility at home. 3, when the pastor's wife is not God-fearing and upright. This goes to the wife. 4, when the leader does not honor his own wife. When you don't honor your own wife, expect people will not honor your wife. And the last, when the leader makes his wife feel valueless. These are the 5 reasons. And please, if this message has touched you, subscribe, share, and like. Once again, this is Revive Us Again movement, and this is the first episode. We'll be having more and more, and we'll be speaking deeper about the scripture. We'll be bringing out the solution, because our purpose is to disciple, our purpose is to bring souls to Christ, and our purpose is for you to find solution with the truth. May God bless you. Let's meet again. May God bless you.